time for a special installment of Will Maisie Eat It. We have a special guest, Rocco. Alright, we have sweet potato and squash. We have two dogs, so we have two vegetables. See how they like it. Maisie, will you eat sweet potato? Yup. Rocco, will you eat sweet potato? Nope. Maisie, you want those? Okay. And we have some squash. Maze, will you eat summer squash? Yeah, Maisie likes summer squash. Rocco, you like summer squash? No. Maisie, you want those? Alright, so control. Maisie likes squash and she likes sweet potato. And she's a freak.